Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 12. This is Section 3.2, Problem 12. It says, put the following decimals in order from smallest to largest, and we have 3.08, 3.14, and 3.096. Now, to find the smallest one, what we want to do is start with the leftmost digit for all of them, make a comparison. If there's a tie, keep moving one spot to the right at a time. So the leftmost digit for all of them is 3, so we have a tie. So now we're going to move in one digit to the right. So now I have a 0, a 1, and another 0. So the 2's with 0's are tied. They're smaller. 3.14 is not the largest. I'll ignore it for a minute. So the first number has a 3.0. The last number also a 3.0. So now I'm going to move one more position to the right. Now I'm comparing an 8 and a 9. Now, clearly 8 is smaller than 9, so the smaller value, the one with the 8, is 3.08. So that's the smallest of the three decimals. 3.08. I'll write that one first, and now I'm done with 3.08. Now next I want to find the one in the middle. I'm comparing 3.14, 3.09. Again, when you compare those, there's a tie at the 3, but when I move in just one digit to the right, 3.1 compared to 3.01 is larger than 0. So 3.096 is smaller. The next one up in my list will be 3.096, and that leaves only one left, which would be the largest in my list, 3.14. So the list in order is first the smallest, 3.08. The next one bigger than that is 3.096. And the largest one from the list is 3.14.